Hi, I'm Prakyat, an HMS developer from Huawei India Research Center. Welcome to Develop with HMS Core. Today, I'm going to explain about ML Kit and show the integration steps. If you want to watch the previous videos on ML Kit, please click on the link below. In this video, we will introduce the object detection service of Huawei ML Kit. The object detection and tracking service can detect and track multiple objects in an image so they can be located and classified in real time. A maximum of 8 objects can be detected and tracked concurrently. The supported object categories are household products, fashion goods, food, places, plants, faces, and others. The object detection and tracking service is useful for examining and recognizing images. ML Kit can detect objects in each image and get their respective locations within the image in real time. Now, let us get coding.
Open and sign in to Huawei developer website. Go to Console, App Gallery Connect, open My Apps. Click on New App, enter the relevant information. Select Add to Project and click OK to create a project. Go to My Projects, select Manually enter the package name and save. Set the default data processing location. Add the SHA 256 certificate fingerprint for your application. Then, download AG-Connect services.json file. Add AG-Connect services.json file under app directory. Verify the package name that was mentioned in App Gallery. Open project level build.gradle file at the Maven repositories under build scripts and all projects section. Also, add the class path. Open application level build.gradle file at the latest version of ML Kit object detection libraries under the dependencies section. Open the Android manifest file and add the required permission. Create a layout for live detection. Add lens engine preview, an extended class from view group. Add graphic overlay, an extended class of view. Create a layout for static detection. Add buttons, image view and text view. Open the main activity. Request for permissions. Set the click listeners. Open the live object analyze activity. Create ML object analyzer setting object and set the attribute. Get the ML object analyzer. Set the transactor. Create a lens engine object and set the parameters. Start the preview screen. In transact result callback, get the result. Use the graphics package to draw the rectangles and text. Open the static object analyze activity. Set the click listeners, create ML object analyzer setting object and set the attribute. Get the ML object analyzer. Create an intent to pick image from gallery. Set it to image view. Get the bitmap, get the ML frame object from bitmap. Call async analyze frame. On success callback, get the ML objects and draw the rectangles using graphics package. Set the object type in the text view. Now, the coding is completed.
Let's try it out. To do that, open newly installed app, tap on static detection, it will take you to the screen to detect static image. Tap on pick image, it will take you to pick an image from gallery. Once you select, the image will be set. Tap on analyze, it will track and detect the objects in the image. Tap on live detection, it will take you to the screen to track and detect the objects from live camera stream. Well, that's all for today's episode. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below or visit Huawei developer website and be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.